Naaga Steelhawks! I am Abigail Mandar, 17 years old, from ABM 11-1, and I am running to be your next governor.
What are the top 3 qualities you think a governor should have?
When I think of 3 qualities that a governor should possess, I can think of 3 C's, tatlong C. Charismatic, competent, and consultative. So first, pumunta muna tayo sa charismatic. Ano nga ba kapag sinabi natin charismatic? A charismatic leader is someone who inspires people by walking his or her talk. If you are an aspiring governor, then you should have the warmth that pushes others to become the best that they can be. At the end of the day, you might forget all the words that I have said, but you will never forget how I made you feel, and that's charisma. Second, competent. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng papetiks-petiks lang yung gov, di ba? Dapat magaling. Dapat may moral excellence. Dapat may academic excellence. And siyempre, dapat alam niya kung paano i-combine yung passion and skills to fulfill his or her duties to the student body. Lastly, yung pinaka-importante, a governor should be consultative. Dapat sinasama yung student body sa bawat desisyon na gagawin. And that's what I aim for. A government kung saan estudyante ang sentro, kayo ang sentro, at napapakinggan ang boses ng lahat.
Gov Mandar, what made you decide to run for Reform Senior High School Governor, even though you knew it was a bigger risk and requires more responsibility?
As someone who is adventurous, I would rather take the risk than drown myself in regrets. The governor is the highest position in the local government unit, and I am aware that along with that position or along with that title comes a great responsibility under one's name. However, what pushed me to still run for the position is the passion to serve. Gutom kasi ako sa pagbabago. To be honest, I hesitated at first. But then I asked myself, kung gutom ako sa pagbabago, bakit di na lang ako magsilbing pagbabago, di ba? In fact, I entered CPU with a fixed plan in mind na maging low-key student lang, to focus solely on my academics, pero hindi natuloy. Because I just found myself saying yes to Reform's challenge. I want to serve the people by serving with my people. So I want the position not for the title, but because I want to give myself to the students without asking for anything in return.
Walk us through what the senior high school community will look like under the leadership of Governor Abigail Mandar.
Sentral yan ang magiging sentro ng aking pamumuno. Kapag nasa posisyon na ako, you will not be my followers. Rather, you will be my partners. As what the name of our party suggests, reform. I want to reform the system. Magkakaroon tayo ng inklusibong komunidad kung saan napapakinggan ang bawat tugon at kung saan accountable kaming mga student leaders ninyo. Because we student leaders represent the student body. We are the voice of the studentry. Kaya dapat lang na accountable. Overall, the CPU Senior High School community under my leadership will have leaders who are both consultative and empowering, and the students will not just be ordinary students. Rather, they will be students na may pakialam, na aware sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid nila at gusto maging parte ng solusyon. Yun lamang po, mabuhay ang Central Philippine University, mabuhay ang Senior High School Department.